Today we will learn amazing wild animals. You will see big animals and fast animals. Let's start.
Hello kids! Welcome to our fun wild animals video. Today we will learn wild animals. Are you ready kids? Let's start. This is a lion.
I am a lion. I am strong.
This is an elephant. I am an elephant. I am very big. This is a monkey. I am a monkey. I can jump. This is a giraffe. I am a giraffe. I am tall. This is a tiger. I am a tiger. I am fast. This is a zebra. I am a zebra. I have stripes. This is a bear.
I am a bear. I am big.
This is a deer. I am a deer. I can run. This is a crocodile.
I am a crocodile. I have sharp teeth.
This is a rhino.
I am a rhino. I am strong.
This is a wolf.
I am a wolf. I howl.
This is a fox.
I am a fox. I am clever.
This is a leopard. I am a leopard. I run fast. This is a cheetah.
I am a cheetah. I am the fastest.
This is a buffalo.
I am a buffalo. I am strong.
This is a wild boar. I am a wild boar. I like mud. This is a kangaroo. I am a kangaroo. I can jump. This is a panda. I am a panda. I like bamboo. This is a jaguar.
I am a jaguar. I am strong.
This is a hippopotamus. I am a hippopotamus. I like water. This is a camel. I am a camel. I live in hot places. This is a lynx. I am a lynx. I am quiet. This is a bison.
I am a bison. I am very strong.
This is a cougar.
I am a cougar. I am fast.
This is an okapi.
I am an okapi.
I am shy.
This is a warhog.
I am a warthog. I have tusks.
This is a beaver. I am a beaver. I build dams. This is an otter. I am an otter. I can swim. This is a baboon.
I am a baboon. I live in groups.
This is a meerkat.
I am a meerkat. I stand tall.
Great job, kids! You learned many wild animals. Keep learning and have fun. Bye-bye, kids. See you next time.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.